With most of the cookware on the market being covered in chemicals and other nasties, it's now more important than ever to find the best non-toxic cookware for your kitchen so that your cookware doesn't leach dangerous toxins into your food. This video is the culmination of over 12 months of non-toxic cookware research and testing, and I really hope that you get tons of value from it. Links to each of the best non-toxic cookware products are in the description box below. The Alva Maestro cookware line offers impressive non-toxic cooking performance. With its PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE-free ceramic coating that makes it worth considering for health-conscious home cooks. This 11-inch ceramic skillet stands out for its health-focused design that eliminates concerning chemicals found in traditional non-stick cookware. You'll appreciate how the ceramic surface releases food effortlessly while requiring minimal oil, making your favorite dishes healthier without sacrificing taste. The thick aluminum body, which has a non-toxic ceramic coating, conducts heat quickly and evenly, preventing those annoying hot spots that can ruin delicate food. Kitchen functionality gets a major boost from the pan's thoughtful design elements. The stainless steel handle stays cool during stovetop cooking, giving you a comfortable, secure grip. Its straight-edge design also provides about 20% more cooking surface than comparable pans, letting you prepare larger portions in a single batch. And when recipes call for finishing in the oven, this versatile pan transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alva Cookware also offers a range of money-saving non-toxic cookware sets, such as their Maestro Essentials 7-piece set, which enables you to detoxify your cookware collection in one fell swoop. With 75 years of cookware creation experience, Alva has been in the industry much longer than most other brands. They also back their products with an exceptional 25-year warranty, which is about 10 times longer than what you get with off-the-shelf cookware. For best results with your Alva cookware, use this pan with low to medium heat settings and avoid metal utensils that might damage the ceramic coating. Wood, silicone, or nylon tools are gentler choices that help maintain the non-stick performance. However, if you want to stay truly non-toxic, I'd personally avoid nylon and stick to real wooden utensils. Cleanup couldn't be simpler with the Alva Maestro. A quick rinse with warm water usually removes most food residue, though hand washing with mild soap is recommended to preserve the non-stick surface. Next up on my healthy, non-toxic cookware list, we're going all the way to Portland, Oregon to check out FINEX cast iron cookware, who are probably best known for their heirloom quality, USA-made, organically seasoned cast iron skillets. Although I have to say, I absolutely love their Dutch ovens as well. This American-made cast iron skillet combines traditional craftsmanship with modern design to deliver exceptional cooking performance worth the premium price. The FINEX skillet stands out immediately with its distinctive octagonal design. This isn't just for aesthetics, though. Each corner serves as a pour spout, giving you precision when transferring sauces or draining excess oil. The non-toxic pre-seasoned surface comes ready to use with organic flaxseed oil, providing an immediate non-stick quality that improves with each use. What truly sets the skillet apart is the attention to detail in its construction. Hand polished to a satin smooth finish, the cooking surface performs remarkably well for delicate foods like eggs and fish that might stick to rougher cast iron. The thick base and walls provide exceptional heat retention and distribution, eliminating hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. The spring coil handle design solves one of cast iron's biggest drawbacks. Unlike traditional skillets that require mitts or towels to handle, the FINEX's stainless steel handle dissipates heat quickly and stays comfortable to touch longer. This thoughtful feature makes the skillet more practical for everyday cooking, especially when moving from stovetop to oven. Versatility is another strong point for this heirloom quality piece. At home on gas, electric, or induction cooktops, it also performs beautifully on grills or over campfires. The 12-inch size provides ample cooking space for family meals while still being manageable for most home cooks. though its 8.5-pound weight is something to consider. Made in the USA and built to last generations, this skillet represents an investment in your kitchen arsenal. While the price point is considerably higher than mass-produced options, the exceptional craftsmanship, innovative design features, and superior cooking performance make it worth considering for serious home cooks looking for non-toxic cookware that will stand the test of time. Checking in at number 5 on my best non-toxic pans roundup is the 360 Home Chef Set, which is a premium 9-piece stainless steel cookware collection that brings professional-grade cooking tools to your home kitchen. Handcrafted in the USA with T316 surgical-grade stainless steel, this set is completely non-toxic and free from harmful chemicals that might leach into your food. What makes this set, and indeed all of 360 Cookware's product line, special is the innovative 360 vapor cooking technology. Compared to cooking with standard stainless steel, you'll notice that your food retains more flavor and nutrients while cooking with 360 cookware pots and pans, giving you tastier and healthier meals every time. The technology creates a vapor seal that locks in moisture and goodness, making your meals both more delicious and more nutritious. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for daily cooking: a 3-quart saucepan, a 2.3-quart casserole pan, a 3.5-quart saute pan, a 6-quart stock pot, doubles as a slow cooker, and an 11.5-inch fry pan. Of course, a range of other 360 cookware sets are available to suit your requirements and budget. They have everything from an affordable essentials set to get you started right up to a complete MasterChef set for those who want to pay once and detoxify their kitchen for life. You'll appreciate the versatility of these pots and pans for everything from quick weeknight dinners to elaborate weekend brunches. The Stockpot's dual functionality as a slow cooker gives you even more cooking options without cluttering your kitchen with extra appliances. The craftsmanship is immediately apparent when you handle these pans. They provide excellent heat distribution without hot spots that can burn your food, making your meals taste better. You'll also find the Stay Cool handles comfortable to grip even during extended cooking sessions. Caring for your 360 cookware is straightforward but important for longevity. While dishwasher safe, hand washing with warm soapy water will help maintain that beautiful stainless steel finish. Many users report their 360 cookware lasting for decades with proper care. Costing over $1,000, this set represents an investment in your cooking future. Think about it though. Cookware that potentially lasts 40+ years brings the cost down to just a few dollars per year of use. Plus, the health benefits of cooking without toxic chemicals are truly priceless if you ask me. Next up on my review of the best non-toxic pots and pans, we have the Hestan NanoBond cookware line, which offers revolutionary non-toxic cooking technology with exceptional durability that makes it worth the premium price for serious home cooks. Their Italian-crafted cookware brings serious innovation to your kitchen with its molecular titanium technology. Thousands of titanium nanolayers bond to the stainless steel base, creating a cooking surface that resists scratching, staining, and salt pitting like nothing else on the market. You'll appreciate how this surface stays pristine even after heavy use, maintaining both its performance and appearance over time. The Procore clad construction delivers 35% better heat conductivity than typical aluminum clad cookware. What this means for your cooking is faster, more even heating without hot spots that can burn food. When you're searing a steak or browning vegetables, this extra conductivity makes a noticeable difference in your results and gives you greater control over the cooking process. Unlike many non-toxic alternatives that sacrifice performance, Hestan's NanoBond cookware handles extreme temperatures with ease. The ability to withstand heat up to 1,050 degrees Fahrenheit means you can move seamlessly from stovetop to oven to broiler without worry. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple pans and simplifies complex recipes that require different cooking methods. The thoughtful design includes practical features that enhance everyday cooking. On their skillet, for example, flush rivets prevent food buildup in those typically troublesome areas, while the flared rim allows for drip-free pouring. You'll find that the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip even when the pan is full, and the extra 20% cooking surface compared to traditional skillets of the same size gives you more room to work with. The learning curve is similar to other high-end stainless steel cookware, but the payoff is a chemical-free cooking surface that, with proper technique, delivers excellent food release without any of the concerns associated with traditional nonstick coatings. Up next on my best non-toxic cookware roundup, we have this American-made cookware set from Heritage Steel, which offers exceptional durability and non-toxic cooking with its titanium-strengthened stainless steel construction, making it worth the investment for those seeking premium non-toxic cookware. Heritage Steel cookware sets stand out in the crowded non-toxic cookware market with their exceptional materials. Unlike many competitors, the sets in their titanium series feature specialty 316 Ti stainless steel strengthened with titanium and molybdenum, providing more corrosion resistance than standard stainless. You'll appreciate how this creates a chemically inert cooking surface that preserves food flavor and never leaches harmful substances. What makes Heritage Steel cookware particularly impressive is its fully clad 5-ply construction that extends throughout the entire cookware, not just the bottom. This means heat distributes evenly up the sides of your pans, perfect for searing meat or creating delicate sauces. The 3-layer aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers ensures efficient heat conduction on any cooktop, including induction. This also goes for the Heritage Steel Eater series as well, which is a more affordable option compared to their higher-end titanium series. Family-owned and manufactured in Clarksville, Tennessee, Heritage Steel offers outstanding value compared to premium competitors. Their ergonomic stay-cool handles remain comfortable during cooking, and the company stands behind their products with a lifetime warranty. While you'll need to hand wash these pieces to maintain their luster, the durable construction means they'll likely become kitchen heirlooms that perform beautifully for decades. Checking in at number 2 on my list of the best safe cookware, we have this non-toxic ceramic cookware set from Caraway, which is worth the investment for anyone seeking healthier cooking options with excellent non-stick performance and stylish design. The Caraway 12-piece cookware set quite literally stands out in the crowded, non-toxic cookware market. You'll immediately notice the visually appealing color selection and thoughtful design elements that bring both function and style to your kitchen. The ceramic coating performs impressively, allowing eggs and other sticky foods to slide off with minimal oil or butter. Besides a dreamlike non-stick performance, what sets this top-rated non-toxic cookware set apart the most is its commitment to your health. Free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium, you can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The aluminum core ensures even heat distribution, while the ceramic surface maintains its slick properties with proper care. Organization becomes effortless with the included magnetic pan racks and canvas lid holder. You'll appreciate how these storage solutions transform cluttered cabinets into an orderly system. The complete set that I purchased includes a 10.5-inch frying pan, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 6.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, and a 4.5-quart sauté pan with lid. Essentially everything you need for everyday cooking. While not the cheapest option available, the combination of health benefits, performance, and storage solutions makes this Caraway set a worthwhile investment. So, what is the best non-toxic cookware on the market? Based on over 12 months of research and testing, I firmly believe that Xtrema ceramic cookware is the best non-toxic cookware on the market today. Xtrema offers 100% pure ceramic cookware that's completely non-toxic and metal-free. Unlike conventional non-stick pans, you won't find any PFOA, PFAS, Teflon, or harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Their popular signature series set includes versatile pieces like a skillet and saucepans that handle everything from frying to simmering. The cookware is handcrafted by skilled ceramic artisans in China, where ceramic production has been perfected over thousands of years. Each piece undergoes triple firing at 2,500 degrees, resulting in durable, chip-resistant cookware that distributes heat evenly and retains temperature exceptionally well. You'll love how versatile these pieces are in your kitchen. Pop them in the microwave, inside the oven, on the barbecue, into the freezer, or straight into the dishwasher without worry. The scratch-resistant, stain-proof surface maintains its glossy appearance even with regular use. To create a naturally non-stick surface, just preheat on low to medium and add a little oil. When you invest in Xtrema, you're getting cookware backed by impressive guarantees, a 30-day trial period, a 10-year warranty, and a forever replacement program. The family-run company stands firmly behind their products, offering hassle-free customer service if any issues arise. Their ceramic construction offers significant health benefits compared to metal or coated cookware. With no extractable lead, cadmium, synthetic glues, polymers, or dyes, these pans comply with California Prop 65 standards. You can serve directly from stove to table with these attractive pieces, reducing the number of dishes you need to wash. My only complaint is that as more people become aware of the chemicals lurking in their cookware, Xtrema pots and pans are becoming so popular that they're often sold out, especially when they have a sale. So if you want to purchase some of their more popular sets, it's probably a good idea to act fast if you don't want to miss out. But even if you do miss out this time, I honestly think Xtrema is worth the wait, and they're pretty good at getting things back in stock quickly, in my experience. And with that said, I really hope that you got some value from this video. Detoxifying my kitchen was the best decision I ever made for my family's health. And I hope that you can do the same by getting some of the best non-toxic cookware for your own kitchen.